Welcome back. It is Wellness Wednesday. We love Wednesdays because we just devote some time to help us all live a little healthier.
The Hough Ear Institute right here in Oklahoma City is sounding the alarm about hearing loss and tinnitus, which I just learned is pronounced tinnitus. That's the ringing noise in your ears that some people have in one ear or both ears. News 9's Jordan Ryan is live in the newsroom with what the Hough Ear Institute wants you to know to protect your hearing. Hey, Jordan.
Hey, Robin and Lacey. Okay, I will say I did ask Matthew at the Institute. He said either pronunciation is fine, but great hearing is something many of us take for granted. But for the hundreds of thousands of Oklahomans living with tinnitus, they know just how debilitating it can be. Many of us enjoy live music and live sports.
To make it a 4-point game.
I mean, we think about extreme cases, like I said, rock concerts or sporting events where the decibel levels are like 120 decibels. And that's really damaging levels of noise exposure without any kind of hearing protection.
Matthew West with the Hough Ear Institute says even everyday activities can put you at risk.
So every time you're in a noisy environment where you're above the safe threshold of 70 is considered safe, 85 in a work environment is considered kind of the upper threshold. So anytime you get above that level, you're putting yourself at risk for tinnitus.
The goal isn't to scare you, but make you aware.
We don't want to suggest that you should change your lifestyle. It's just about being conscious about how you're receiving that sound information.
More than 600,000 Oklahomans are believed to be living with tinnitus. The consequences of severe cases can be devastating.
So not only do they have this disengagement, they've lost a sense of community or sense of peace, but now they're transitioning to a point where their mental health is at risk. They're losing sleep, they're not able to focus, in extreme cases not able to retain a job.
For those interested, the Hough Ear Institute is hosting the first ever tinnitus support group in the state on January 15th.
And the real design of the group is just to allow individuals who are living with tinnitus to provide anecdotal support and care for each other.
Okay, to take care of your hearing, you can get a Decibel app on your phone. I downloaded this one for free. You can also get earplugs, and they don't have to be ugly. They can be clear like this. You can still hear the music, all of the good things, but it's gonna bring down that volume level to protect your ears. I'm Jordan Ryan for Oklahoma's Own News 9.